Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. A motorcycle starts from rest at s equals 0 and travels along a straight road. Its speed is given by a piecewise VT graph with 3 segments. From t equals 0 to 4 seconds, velocity equals 1.25 times t meters per second, increasing linearly from rest to 5 meters per second. From t equals 4 to 10 seconds, velocity is constant at 5 meters per second. From t equals 10 to 15 seconds, velocity equals negative t plus 15 meters per second, decreasing linearly back to 0. Determine the total distance the motorcycle travels until it stops at t equals 15 seconds, and describe the shapes of the AT and ST graphs. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Looking at the VT graph, we identify 3 distinct phases of motion. From t equals 0 to 4 seconds, velocity increases linearly according to v equals 1.25 t. From t equals 4 to 10 seconds, the velocity is constant at 5 meters per second. Finally, from t equals 10 to 15 seconds, velocity decreases linearly following v equals negative t plus 15, reaching 0 at t equals 15 seconds. Acceleration is the time derivative of velocity. Differentiating each segment. During the first phase, acceleration is a constant positive 1.25 meters per second squared. During the constant speed phase, acceleration is 0. During the braking phase, acceleration is a constant negative 1 meter per second squared. So the AT graph is a step function with 3 constant levels. The distance traveled during each segment equals the area under the VT curve. For the first segment from 0 to 4 seconds, the area is a triangle with base 4 seconds and height 5 meters per second. That gives 1/2 times 4 times 5, which equals 10 meters. Integrating 1.25 t from 0 to 4 also confirms 10 meters. During the second segment from 4 to 10 seconds, velocity is constant at 5 meters per second. The area under the curve is a rectangle with width 6 seconds and height 5 meters per second, giving 30 meters. The cumulative position at t equals 10 seconds is 10 plus 30, which equals 40 meters. For the third segment, from 10 to 15 seconds, the VT curve forms a triangle with base 5 seconds and height 5 meters per second. The area is 1/2 times 5 times 5, giving 12.5 meters. Integration of negative t plus 15 from 10 to 15 also confirms 12.5 meters. Adding the 3 distances, 10 plus 30 plus 12.5 equals 52.5 meters. That is the total distance the motorcycle travels. For the ST graph, the position function is a concave up parabola during acceleration, a straight line during constant speed, and a concave down parabola during deceleration. Key checkpoints are 10 meters at 4 seconds, 40 meters at 10 seconds, and 52.5 meters at 15 seconds when the motorcycle stops. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.